Hello all, let's start with the factorial assignment and the main logic. Okay, first we have taken input 5 from the user, okay, on command line. So our input is in ASCII value. So first we have converted that input into the hex number, and that hex is stored in the RBX register. Okay, so in factorial we are having the input, so we are moving value of RBX into the factorial. Now our factorial variable is having value 5. Okay, so we need one counter variable, that's why we have moved that factorial value into the R6 register, because we have to perform multiplication for the given number of times. Okay, so then we are calling the factor procedure. Okay, and this is the main logic to calculate the factorial. So let's see what is that. So we are calling the factorial method. So in factorial method or procedure, we are using the call method or call instruction to call the factorial method. Okay, so in factorial method, first what we are doing, push R6 into the stack. Okay, so first currently in R6 what we are having, 5, so 5 go into the stack. Then we are comparing the value of 5 in with the 1. Is 5 equal to 1? No. Then what we are doing, jump if not equal. Okay, 5 is not equal to 1, so go to ahead. So in ahead what we are doing, we are decrementing the R6. Now R6 become 4. Okay, then move R6 into the RX. Now RX is the 4. Okay, now Rx is 4, and what we are doing here, we are multiplying the value of Rx and the value of factorial. So in factorial what we are having, 5, and we are in Rx what we are having 4. Okay, so what we are doing, 5 into 4. Okay, and the result is stored into the Rx. So 5 into 4, 20 is in Rx. So we move that 20 into the factorial, and again we are calling the factor. So we are doing this program by recursive method. Recursive means what? Calling the procedure inside the same procedure. Okay, so we are calling again factor. Then what we are doing, push in second iteration, push R6 into the stack. So what is the R6 value here? R6 is 4. So 4 is pushed on stack, then it is compared with 1. If not equal to 1, then decrement the R6. Now move 4 into the Rx. Okay, and multiply factorial with the 4. Now what is in factorial? 20. Right, here in factorial we moved 20. So 20 into 3, 20 into 3, what we are having next, it's 60. Again call factor, push 3 into the stack, compare R6 with 1. 3 is not equal to 1, go to ahead. Now decrement R6 become 2. Then move R6 into Rx, multiply with factorial. Now factorial is 60. 60 into 2, 120. Again call factorial. Okay, move push that 2 into stack, compare 2 with 1. 2 is not equal to 1, go to ahead. In ahead what we are doing, decrement R6. Decrement R6, are now R6 become 1. Move R6 into Rx, multiply the value of factorial into with the Rx. Okay, so Rx is 1. 120 into 1 is equal to 120. So in factorial we get 120. Now call again we are calling the factorial. Now push RCX into the stack. So what is the value of RCX? RCX is 1. Okay, compare R6 with 1. 1 is equal to 1. Yes. So next instruction, this become false. Okay, and we go to this jump exit 2, and in exit 2 we don't need to write this pop R6, just return to the main program. Okay.